Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the feature. Open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, and toggle it on. Do this now so the system registers hotkeys and overlays. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account if asked, because some features require authentication. Also make sure privacy settings permit microphone and game capture, otherwise recordings will be muted or blocked. These steps set the platform-level permissions that let the recorder run and interact with games without permission errors. Next, configure capture specifics so recording works reliably. Open Captures, pick 30 or 60 frames per second, and choose your audio quality. Higher settings increase CPU/GPU load, so balance performance. Assign a clear record hotkey or reset Win plus G if shortcuts conflict with other apps. Then update graphics drivers and enable game mode to prioritize resources. If overlays or third-party utilities capture the same keys, reassign or close them. These adjustments control performance and avoid conflicts that stop recording mid-session. Finally, run a short test clip in the exact game or app you use. Check video, audio, and that file's saved to the expected folder. If recording fails, restart Explorer or Reboot. That often restores overlay hooks. Reinstall the Xbox Game Bar app from the store if problems persist. Also check disk space, antivirus or folder permissions, and install pending Windows updates. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing records, create an antivirus exclusion for the capture folder and confirm Xbox Game Bar has.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.